tucked in rather well inside a community update video. Nothing CEO made a big announcement, namely that the company is introducing a new sub-brand CMF by Nothing. According to Kalpe, this will be a more affordable brand than Nothing itself, focusing on delivering timeless design for great prices, along with the quality that are very hard to find in the price segment. Its first two products launching later this year will be a smartwatch and a pair of earbuds. Both of them will be imbued with the design-led mantra that is shared by both Nothing and CMF by Nothing. The CMF products will work very well owing to the same attention to user experience as Nothing. Meanwhile, Nothing will stay committed to design innovation and pushing boundaries. Kalpe said, Nothing products will keep becoming premium, featuring the best and latest technologies. CMF by Nothing will be run by a separate team inside the company to ensure there is no distraction from the main products. More details about the smartwatch and earbuds are promised to arrive in the next months, and there will be a lot of teasers coming.